Hello guys, this is Joe Manix. Today I'm going to show you how to install camera on your motorcycle. So first of all, you have to remove the seat. What's happened under it's that here I install a wire that I pass just under the tank. So it's very easy, you just have to unscrew the bolt here and then lift a little bit the tank. Like this you can pass the wire just under. And at the front you can get access to your wire where you can plug. Here is the left camera and here is the wire to plug the second camera that is just here. Then to get access to the after contact wire, just have to remove this bolt here, gentle pull this out and you get access to this part. So to be able to keep the accessory plug available, because I installed a fuel pack for my bike, I found the wire that is working just after you start your motorcycle, and I plug my wire, the plus directly to the camera and negative just above. So like this, the camera will start work after you start the engine. So when you turn on the bike, it starts the camera to work. It's pretty difficult to see on the screen, but I show you how it looks like on the road. If you like my video and you want me to share more information about different things on the bike, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and to let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate this. Thank you.